back of the wheel is...
Oh my god.
What? They're fully coated, inside, outside. The stems are... O sea, los stems, I guess that's the TPM max.
Paper clips.
What?
Porsche paper clips.
They're actually...
Oh, I see it. It's a whole car.
Yes.
That's awesome,
I
man.
heard of it.
One of the sons se salió de Porsche como carro, and he started doing the sunglasses, like all that stuff. And then Porsche acquired the brand again. O sea,
Their stuff.
so now it's all Porsche, but this is like original shit. Y después esto fue un paquete, but it's different. I'm taking an original ideology of 3D print, so hang it. Para que te lo enganche a los granos.
He called me saying that he scratched them or something like that.
He was flipping the fuck out of me.
Oh, you wanted to kill him at that second, huh?
Cayó una mierda and it was stained, y se rayó uno porque la jeva le cayó, no sé qué cosa, and he's just quiet.
I was thinking about you probably pulling my leg, but I don't know what to say at this moment. We'll see how the story goes to see where I can fall into it.
What happened? Pero
Factories off. Oh, shit,
Alright guys, so post-work activities. Never too late to do some car shit. We got Edison's Porsche out here, and we got some goodies in the back. So how happy are you right now?
ooh, baby. BC.
Dude, that looks insane, man.
This is for the baby.
And this is just the front.
No, this is the back.
Wait, oh, never mind.
This is the back one. This is the back one.
So yeah, these are the back, and you see we got some big ass tires on these two. What is this? 325?
325.
Yeah, 325 Continentals in the back. Then the wheel is what, 11 and a half, no?
325? I think so, 11 and a half in the back. Oh, I don't even fit
Sweet.
through here. Look through the car. It doesn't fit through the car. Oh, yeah, it's gonna make it.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. Pretty big.
I hadn't even seen these in person until today, and I am very pleasantly surprised with what this looks like.
They got all ceramic coated by one of my boys.
Yep.
And then,
Raul at Streak It Clean, no?
yes.
All right, we'll put his IG down below so you guys can hit him up if you guys need something for your cars. And then the front, you're rocking what? That's 20 as well, but how wide?
245, 30.
Okay. But yeah, you guys kind of see the contrast between the two. The rear is super, super, super deep dish, wide tire, and then the front has a little bit of a more of a concave face coming out, just to kind of exaggerate the rears a little more. But yeah, this is gonna look amazing on this car, that's for sure.
And the car got ceramic coated. Beautiful setup. Hey, look, it's raining. You can see the little beats, huh?
Yep. You guys actually get to see it working right now. I don't know if, well, maybe from here. Yeah, you guys can kind of see that. How the water beads on it. Won't really stay on the paint and stick. So a really nice touch for any of you that are very much about keeping your cars original, keeping them clean. Definitely should go for a ceramic coating on your car. Even the headlights, man.
Headlights, brakes, interior.
Everything.
Everything's done in this car.
Wait, the brakes too?
Yeah, the roof.
They coated the brakes?
Yeah, that's what we put it.
Oh man. You can't tell right now, but that's super cool.
Yeah, nothing sticks to it. You see how I wiped it down with the rag a little bit? Nothing.
Yeah.
No soap needed.
Alright, so we'll continue with the front. And we'll come back for the reveal of at least this wheel. And yeah, then get to work on the back. And revealing the front. 3, 2, that was sooner. Okay, it's got to settle. But damn, that wheel looks pretty.
Front of the car now.
No, like I said, wait for it to sit down exactly at the height it should, and bro, hell yeah, man. Look at the comparison. There we go, focus back to the front. This is way, way better. Classic, but just the right amount of modern touch.
Yes. Now we'll do the other side here. The factory that is still pretty big. A nice piece of rim.
And you got these coated too, right?
Yes. They're dirty, but yes, they're coated too. And it's not going nowhere. I'm not selling them.
Yeah.
Stays with the car when it sells the car. The owner could have the original exhaust, still have it, everything.
Yeah, you guys can see these are in really, really good shape. But
This is
much prefer this.
much better look. It looks so much better. There it goes. That's it. Just look at the holes. See, they line up.
No.
Let me see. I got it from here. I fuck around with it.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a little tricky. Lower level. How much is it? Just enough 2 dogs. 3 dogs. I don't have to put the loose.
Oh my god. Yeah, no, that looks nuts. Hold up. So on a scale of 1 to 10, what do you give it?
I give it 10. I don't know why. I'm biased.
Very biased,
Yeah,
but
bro, fuck that. I'm biased. I care.
to be honest, I'd have to say I agree.
Look at the red calipers. Look how well it sticks out and looks through it.
Yeah, man.
The calipers, everything.
Oh my god.
Drive it. The rim should be more flush.
Yeah, exactly. Because it's got to settle. The suspension has to settle a little bit, so this isn't final fitment.
Yeah,
But you do get an idea of how ridiculous this thing is going to look.
now let's do the other side. Yeah.
Yep. Set it down. Let's get the side profile from here. Damn.
You never got to see it. Huh?
No, I never did.
I thought you have.
No.
I thought you had. No.
Because you put them on and then real quick.
I thought put them on. I think I spent it like 3 weeks and I sent it to get around the wood and everything.
Yeah. We even showed this earlier. The fitment on this side. Well, not this side, but you know. You can see exactly how the tire sits in the wheel. It's beautiful. Perfectly flush to the fender.